Hello, Jet. Sensya na, rush. Nagkanda ko training karon. Okay. Pero gikawat lang ako ng oras. Okay. Sa newlywed, happy life. Welcome to the new world or new leaf of your life. So have a healthy life. Maayon kanyong pag-uban, mag-asawa. Akong gina-wish lang sa inyo, unta, magpinalanggaay mo in every moment sa inyo ang kinabuhi. So hopefully, kita-kits na dali sa Singapore. So good luck. Good luck and best wishes. All your wishes will come true and good health and more wealth to come. Ayo-ayo to my family over there, mama, papa, titing, and the rest. Akong mga anak, Jassel, Sai Ogbea, kay Joanne. Peace. Ayo-ayo, good luck. Jet, see you soon. And have a great day. And let your inner radiance for the newlywed brighten up the entire day for today. Have a great day and enjoy yourself.